In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Visual C Redistributables on Windows 11. These redistributable packages provide essential runtime components that many apps and games rely on. If they're missing or outdated, you might see errors when launching software. So let's make sure your system is properly prepared and you have the correct files ready. Start by opening the Windows Settings app using the quickest method. Press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. This brings up the Settings window, where you can manage updates and system features. On the left side, select Windows Update. Keeping Windows 11 fully updated helps avoid compatibility issues and ensures that any underlying components required by the redistributables are already in place. Click the Check for Updates button. If updates appear, allow them to download and install. This may take a few minutes depending on your connection and how many updates are pending. It's a good idea to keep your device plugged in and avoid interrupting the process. When Windows tells you everything is current, you're ready for the next part. Now open your preferred web browser. You can use whichever you're comfortable with. Go to the official Microsoft Visual C Redistributable download page. Make sure you're on Microsoft's own site. You should see the Microsoft.com domain. Sticking to the official source is important to ensure you get authentic, safe, and up-to-date files. On that page, look for the latest supported downloads. You'll typically see two separate options, x64 and x86. Even though most modern Windows 11 systems are 64-bit, many applications still need the 32-bit components, so it's best to download both. The x64 package supports 64-bit apps, and the x86 package supports 32-bit apps. Grabbing both now prevents issues later if you install software that depends on one or the other. Click to download the latest supported x64 version, then do the same for the x86 version. Your browser may ask where to save the files. Choosing your Downloads folder or another easy-to-find location will help you access them quickly. The file names commonly include VC C Redist x64 and VC C Redist x86, so you can tell them apart at a glance. Wait for both downloads to finish before moving on. That's it. You've updated Windows 11 and obtained the official Visual C redistributable packages you need. With these files on hand, you're set for applications that depend on these runtimes, and you'll avoid many common launch and installation errors caused by missing components. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your system ready.